Daisy on this one. Daisy, always such a pleasure.
It's so much fun. Thank you.
Don't go anywhere. I love when you're here.
Yes,
We're gonna
I won't.
We're going to keep you
I want to sit here.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Always a blast. Thank you, girls. All right, well, we've got more beauty finds coming up for you. In fact, the incredible Dr. Nassif is finally back. He's coming up next.
My name is Dr. Paul Nassif. I'm a facial plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, and I'm on the hit TV show Botched. With over 17 years of experience, one thing I learned is that I can take care of the deeper tissue, I can elevate things, make you look better, but a lot of us do this, we neglect our skin. And I can't fix it with the scalpel, and I don't want you to rely on us. I want you to take care of your skin. Nassif MD Skincare BioClock Dermaceuticals will revitalize your skin. Unfortunately, aging of the skin is inevitable, but I have good news. It's never too late to improve your skin. What I ultimately want to provide to the HSN customer is 3 simple words: results, results, results.
Well, he is a renowned facial plastic surgeon and the star of one of my favorite shows, Botched. I'm obsessed with it. I just downloaded the latest season. So nice to have you back, Dr. Nassif.
Thanks for having me back here. Love being here.
Such a pleasure. Oh, we love having you here. All right, well, what's amazing is to be able to get the anti-aging technology that Dr. Nassif brings to us in the past. You would have to travel to his very busy practice in California, but he is back today bringing you these incredible advancements. So we're gonna start it off right away with the Deco Lift Neck Firming Complex. Take a look at your screen right off the bat. This is something that we try to treat the skin on our face to help with the signs of aging, but if our neck is showing our signs of aging, you know, it gives it away, doesn't it? Oh. Well, these before and afters, after just 4 weeks, are day and night, Dr. Nassif. This is amazing technology.
I mean, this is one thing that, the neck, when my patients come to me, they ask me, what are we gonna do? I want you to help my neck, and I can lift up the skin. I can do that, but one thing that these hands can't do, I can't take away the wrinkles, especially the décolleté in the neck, because what happens, which is very, very important, is you have to be conservative with the neck, because you can damage it, because the healing glands aren't that great. And so what we have are an incredible retinol, and that is a natural form of vitamin A. And that naturally helps soften the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. It also has this incredible trademark ingredient called the Quoxyl, which in pilot studies, it has been shown to hold in hydration. Oh. And that also softens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay, so this is basically, we're calling this the missing piece. Yes, you can go see Dr. Nassif if you're fortunate enough to travel out to Los Angeles and see him. But this is something that he couldn't even do in his office with his own hands. This is incredible technology that you can get at home. It's back for today, by the way, and $10 off of the HSN price. This is an amazing technology with incredible ingredients, truly the latest advancements. And I want Dr. Nassif to walk us through why these ingredients are so incredible when it comes to specifically addressing that hard to address neck and deck area.
Okay, so now here's a great example of the décolleté. Take a look at this. Now, remember, this patient has had, I don't know how many years of so much damage, especially we were using baby oil back then to actually take care of our skin and to get suntans, sunburnt. Now take a look, only after 4 weeks, twice a day. Look at the difference in that crepey skin, how it's changed. Look at the difference, look at the color, look at the tone, but more importantly, just after 4 weeks, look at the lines. Let's have the next one.
Whoa, those
that
are
is dramatic.
Right? Look. I mean, that's crepiness, and it is, in the after, it looks like a different picture. It looks like a different person.
Now take a look at this one. Another patient, and if you take a look at these fine lines and wrinkles that are in the décolleté, and again, this is an area you have to really be careful treating it. Look at only the 4 weeks, 2 times a day. And just think what happens if you've been using this for a number of months. And so these are incredible results. And these are results that I didn't even expect when I saw these. Really? I was going, are you sure? 4 weeks? I mean, this is that good.
It's going to put
and
you
that's
out
why
of
the
business.
hands can't do that.
Right.
Can we have the next one? Okay. So look at this.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Those are dramatic, Dr. Nassif.
Take a look at this. Now, I hope you have a close-up of this, but look at these deep-rooted wrinkles. Take a look here, and now look over here. Now, this is an incredible result. And again, this is something that we've done so much damage to our neck, especially again wearing these open blouses, that sun gets in there and hurts us. And this is a beautiful example of how this Deco Lift really helps. Let's see the next one. All right, now here we go. Let's take a look at the neck now.
Oh my gosh.
6 weeks, 2 times a day. And again, these are things that I cannot help with the facelift. Take a look at the wrinkles here. Take a look at these lines, almost like, you know, these radial lines here, and take a look at the improvement. Now, again, only 6 weeks. That is a remarkable look.
So results after 4 to 6 weeks, but of course, the longer you use it, the better it gets, which is so perfect. Imagine if you started using this now by the time the holidays got here.
Okay, now take a look. Look at this. In addition, we talk about the appearance of the skin tone now. Look at that. Look at the, right underneath the chin. Look at the difference how we actually have a lifting effect, and also look at the lines and wrinkles, how they've been softened.
There's like a fold there that's no longer even there.
That fold is so much improved. Now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Now this is a lovely patient of ours named Cynthia.
Okay.
And I'm going to surprise you in a minute. Take a look at her neck. Look how that's been lifted. And take a look at that crepey skin. Look at the result after 6 weeks. Now I got to tell you something. You know who we have here?
Who is that?
We have Cynthia.
Oh, this is a surprise. So we actually get to see a live before and after. Let's take a look at Cynthia here in just a moment. This is her pictures that you've been looking at. The dramatic difference. The dramatic difference in the crepiness, the overall texture, the fine lines and wrinkles in the after just 6 weeks. Take a look at Cynthia's beautiful neck. Cynthia, we see your before and afters, but talk to us about your personal experience using this.
I think this is an absolutely fabulous product. I was part of the initial 6 weeks trial. I found that when I was using it, it went on very smooth, it smelled good. I was seeing results. I had friends that were commenting about my skin having it looking better. But once I got done with the 6 week trial, I saw such impressive results. I went to my esthetician. And I've been getting peels and different kinds of skincare, using different kinds of skincare through the years. And anyway, my esthetician told me, she said, I can definitely see the difference. And I have friends who actually walk up to me and ask me what it is that I've been using on my skin. And I'm very, very impressed. I would recommend this to anybody. I have seen results. And having done what I've done with peels and so on, this is by far the most superior product that I've ever worked with. And I love the neck and décolleté. I can't even talk. Neck and décolleté cream. I know, I can't say it.
You know, that's the thing. And we were talking about how often we address this area when it comes to the signs of aging, right? And then this is what gives it away. Cynthia, you look at her neck and décolleté area, and it is as flawless and beautiful as the skin on her face. This technology, think about it. Dr. Nassif, a board-certified facial reconstructive plastic surgeon. When it comes to, you know, the beautiful skin that we have on our face and neck, he is the top leading doctor. Now he is, and this cream, you know, normally you'd have to go to his office to get it. Now you can try it here at HSN. It sold out the last time that we had it. We've got it back for you today. It's even $10 off of the HSN price, and it's $12.50 on your charge card. Doctor, this technology, when we're seeing these results in 4 weeks, in 6 weeks, what is it that is giving everyone such powerful results in just a few weeks?
You know, I'll tell you what, one thing that's absolutely incredible about this is the proprietary ingredients of that, you know, acetyl-absorbic acid, which is a stable form of vitamin C mixed with the aquoxyl and also neopeptides. That's what's doing it. And the biggest thing that is interesting and crazy to me is that we have to be so careful with this area. When we're doing surgical procedures, I can't really help this. And this is something, you know, especially me doing all the revision surgeries and helping, you know, patients that actually are, you know, either redo their face or their nose. This is fantastic. And I could not get these with these hands.
I mean, just incredible results to look at. When you're seeing those pictures on the monitor next to Dr. Nassif, that's the same person. Those are absolutely phenomenal results. Now, when you're in the ordering process for your just back in stock Deco Lifted Neck, also know there's a bonus buy going on today. When you talk about reversing the signs of aging, when you talk about any good skincare routine, you have to think about cleansing your face properly as well, not stripping your skin. We've got a bonus buy going on. You can buy the doctor's incredible facial cleanser today. Just for today, when you pick up the Deco Lift Neck, you get to take $7 off of the cleanser. So important for you to get that home, because if you're stripping the skin and not balancing the skin and not cleansing it properly, we know it's it's harder for our creams and serums to work. So that is your bonus buy for today. Now we're gonna hang on to the doctor a little while longer because we've got something special to share with you. When it comes to, again, the signs of aging, let's be honest, if your skin is dry and parched, you are amplifying those signs of aging. Dr. Nassif brought us the Hydro Screen, which is an absolutely revolutionary moisturizer. Are we talking about it now, or are we still talking about the Deco Lift Neck? Okay, good. Okay, good, because I want to talk to everybody about this. This is the most intense, incredible moisture. In fact, if you went to visit the doctor in his very busy practice, even if you wanted to have a procedure done, this is the product that he would give you prior to that to get your skin in its best shape as possible with this incredible level of moisture. You're not only getting that today, but you're also going to help exfoliate your skin with these oversized detox pads, which you're pretty much getting for free today. These are both customer picks, and they're $20 on your charge card. So let's talk about this incredible level of moisture, doctor.
So, you know, unfortunately, as we age, we actually start to get dehydrated. And our hands, our feet, our face, and so we're gonna take lovely Cynthia here, and for example, we start getting the little, I'm gonna draw on your face, and by the way, this will come off, don't worry, Cynthia. And we start getting the crow's feet. We also start getting we get deflation of the upper brow, starts to droop just like that. And then we start getting these paralabial around the mouth lines. We start getting the marionette lines. And close your mouth one second. There we go, I want to show you. We also get the little smile lines. So as we age, all this starts to settle, and we even get a little bit hollow or sunken in. We also get in our hands, we start to get hollow. And so one thing that is so important is hydration. And hydration is something that, you know, as we age, unfortunately, our cells don't keep fluid water in.
Oh, okay.
And so what is great about the Hydro Screen, and this is revolutionary technology, and we're basically using hyaluronic acid spheres. Now, some of the active ingredients in here is retinol, which with retinol, what it does, it's a very active form of vitamin A. And with vitamin A, it helps reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, okay? In addition, there's something called ceramide 3, and in pilot studies it's been shown to help smooth out fine wrinkles. In addition, it's supposed to also keep hydration in. There's also a thin little layer called sphingolipids. And these are things that we use in our office. And one of the things that's very important about this is when we talk about hyaluronic acid, we started using the hands. Now I want to go over and I want to show you guys the hands, if you don't mind. I'm going to walk over to this plasma.
Okay.
And this is something that was unexpected with this. So let's take a look. This is 4 weeks, 2 times a day. I want you to again look at, as we lose our volume, we start seeing the tendons more, we start seeing the veins more, and take a look at these radial wrinkles on the wrist. 4 weeks, take a look at the after.
Oh my goodness.
Look at how it's plumped. There's luminosity. It's actually, this is now, the skin on her hand drank up the Hydro Screen.
Yeah.
And that's what's incredible about this. And this is why, and this is something that we have, this is what's gonna keep you young.
Absolutely, it's putting that moisture back into the skin. The skin even has a glow to it.
You know, the interesting thing is, remember, there's a difference between, let's see the next photo here, is hydration and moisturization. If you moisture, what happens is you actually, with moisture, all that does, unfortunately, it just gets on the top of the skin. But we have a video, I want to show you an animation of what hydration is. And this is technology using hyaluronic acid spheres. And what happens is you put just a little dab of this on the skin, and it will dry to a soft matte finish, and the skin becomes dehydrated with time. There it goes, sinking in. And now you put in the droplet. The skin drinks up these hyaluronic acid spheres, which love holding water. 1,000 times its weight more in water, the skin plumps back up. And that is the revolutionary technology with the Hydro Screen. So that's why the hyaluronic acid spheres are incredible.
And in putting that incredible moisture back into the skin, let me show everybody what you are getting today, because this is such an intense level of moisture. I just put it on just this one hand, and my hand literally just grabbed it all in. It just drank it up in this intense level of moisture. And you can see, compared to the other one that's dry and parched and scaly, you've got beautiful moisture to this hand where I applied this. Now, this technology, by the way, sells for $80 by itself. Just for the HydraScreen full-size bottle, a little bit goes a long way. It's got a little dropper, you just use a little bit. That means if that's $80 by itself, then you are for free getting these absolutely amazing customer pick, oversized, absolutely drenched detox pads. And this is what you're gonna use before you put on your moisture to help exfoliate and cleanse your skin. These are amazing. By the way, this is essentially for free. If you look at the retail compare, it's $125. If you purchase them separately, you're getting these for free today. Talk to us about the detox pads, doctor.
You know, so these are actually Beauty in a Pad. And what
Yeah.
these are, they contain glycolic acid and also salicylic acid. And this is something that these are gentle enough to exfoliate every day, because when you want to put on your makeup, you don't want to put on over dead cells. And we generate dead cells daily. So let me tell you what they do. They help soften the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. They also help diminish the size of pores. They help even out the skin tone, the appearance, even the actual, when we talk about helping the appearance of skin firmness, it does all that. There's nothing that these pads don't do. It actually, you know, one thing I like to say, it wipes away the signs of aging.
Yes.
And then, for example, if you take a look, go ahead, Carrie, grab one of those, take one of those out, or if you're doing, if you squeeze it out, you can actually see.
Watch this.
Look at, wring that out.
Oh, I mean, it's just absolutely drenched. And what's great is it's drenched and it's so oversized that you can use this on your face. I take it down to the neck and décolleté area.
Hands and feet.
Perfect for, ooh, your feet?
Yeah, you can use this everywhere. You want to exfoliate everywhere.
I've never tried it on my feet before, but I'm going to now.
There you go. Is that, you can take it home, you can do that with it.
Well, I'll do it now. Okay, so what is this doing for our skin?
Okay, so this is a Vizia study. And this is actually showing, you know, when you do Vizia, you're actually doing a fluorescent way to look at, and this is fluorescent makeup put on. And we really wanted to see how effective is this, and this is after using conventional soap, washing the face on the right-hand side, take a look. And now we've noticed now is that using the detox pad, and you can see it on the right here, how almost there's no fluorescent makeup at all.
Yeah.
It cleaned the face 108% better than soap and water. 108%. And that's what's great about these pads. So besides cleaning your pad, exfoliating, you're also helping reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles.
Well, and doctor, obviously if you're cleansing and you're exfoliating properly, then you're also able to moisturize your skin better because it can actually penetrate the skin, correct?
Absolutely, because what we want to do first is we want to exfoliate, and actually then we use the great HydraScreen, and then you can put on your makeup after you use your serums, whatever you like to use.
Well, here's the deal today. It's a customer pick. They are both customer picks separately. The configuration is a customer pick already, and that is because you are, well, another reason is you're getting the detox pads completely for free. You have to know that the HydraScreen, this incredible level of moisture is $80 by itself. You're getting both of them today. Doctor, I think it was so interesting when you first told us that if a patient comes in to see you and they're gonna get a procedure done with you, you actually send them home with the HydraScreen to use for a number of weeks before you'll even do the procedure, correct?
Yeah, because you know what's happening is when I'm doing a facelift, again, remember what's different about me, I'm a facial plastic surgeon, so I'm looking at the skin from the inside out. And so when I'm actually operating, I can see when the skin's dehydrated, and that's what's different about me compared to other doctors. And so when I see my patients beforehand, my medical assistant will go in there, then I'll come in after and I'll look at their skin, examine it, and say, you have to take my HydraScreen home. You need to use it at least 2 times a day, a few weeks, to hydrate the skin, because I have to have an excellent canvas before I operate. Yeah. And that's what's interesting. If you take a look at this is another hand.
Okay.
Take a look at this for 1 second.
Wow.
Look at, again, the volume here. We can now, we can see the veins, we can see the tendons, and we can see all those lines. And this is after 4 weeks, twice a day. And if you could hydrate your hands, you can hydrate anything.
I was thinking that exact same thing. Usually our hands are so dry.
I mean, do we have one more photo? Okay, here we go, the same thing.
Oh, wow, doctor.
Take a look at this again. You can see again, as we age, we start losing volume in the hands. You see the tendons, you see the veins, and then you see all the crepey skin on the hands. And again, 4 weeks, 2 times a day. Look at the incredible improvement here.
And again, we are talking about intense hydration. This locks in that hydration. Here's the deal. You use just the smallest little amount on your hands, on your face. This gives you, I mean, this truly takes hydration to a new level without being sticky or greasy. You're gonna get that amazing hydration that's gonna plump up the appearance of your skin. That is something that sells out every single time, the Hydro Screen at $80. I love, love, love that today you are also getting those detox pads. This is what is gonna exfoliate your skin. This, we say, wipes away the signs of aging. I mean, literally that's what so many of us say about this, because it wipes away all of that dead, dry, icky skin. So you're starting with that foundation, then you're adding that incredible level of moisture.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Now, don't forget, when you're in the ordering process, and I want to mention it one more time, we've got a bonus buy today. When you pick up this configuration or the neck and décolleté that we had a little while ago, you could take advantage of the bonus buy, which is the cleanser, the doctor's #1 selling gentle moisturizing cleanser, and you get to take $7 off.
You know, I got to mention something about that cleanser, which makes this different too.
Okay.
This has, you heard about matcha tea.
Uh-huh.
That has matcha tea in it, and also it has hyaluronic acid. Now, what cleanser has those type of ingredients?
Ooh,
What has hyaluronic acid in it? This is the first one I've heard.
So you're not stripping the skin, you know, and then trying to put back all of the moisture. It's a proper cleanser that you're using to start out your skincare routine. So you're cleansing, then you're exfoliating, then you're putting that incredible moisture into your skin. The doctor gives us absolutely everything that we need to do that. So if you picked up this configuration today and you want to add the cleanser, remember, it's a bonus buy. You get to take $7 off of the price of that. We are so busy right now. We have all been waiting for the doctor to come back with this big customer pick. This is the lowest price that this configuration has been offered at. So by all means, check out the reviews on hsn.com, because it is almost a perfect 5-star customer pick. Doctor, such a pleasure as always.
You know,
we learned so much from you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for having me. I hope to see you all soon. We'll be back.
Absolutely. You'll be back tonight at 11 p.m.
I should be back. That's right.
We'll see you
11
then.
p.m.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Carrie.
All right, well, stay where you are in the ordering process. We're going to check in with an HSN Spotlight, and we've got more to come.
HSN Cares is dedicated to empowering women and helping families in need. Our partnership with the U.S. Fund for UNICEF helps build a better future for children. When you purchase an item from our HSN Cares U.S. Fund for UNICEF collection, we will donate $5 to the U.S. Fund for UNICEF. With $5, UNICEF can feed a child for more than 3 days. Search HSN Cares at hsn.com to shop the collection or make a donation.
In a world full of trends, I remain a classic. Life is your runway.
I'm inspired by almost everything around me that's beautiful. I'm Victoria Wick. I grew up in South Korea, so I can see things from a different perspective and marry all the multicultural elements into one design. I'm all about balance and versatility. In the Victoria Wick collection, you're gonna find exclusive designs, high quality cuts. No detail is too small, and my designs are never ending. It's fun, timeless, and still fashionable.
How you doing, HSN? Hosting a TV show is the best thing ever. And what I did not realize is that my clothing would become a co-star. Women wait for those doors to open, and they look to see what I'm wearing. My line is for all women, whether you're a size 2 or a size 22. Clothing should not be really expensive, and it should not be that complicated.
everybody, once again. Well, we are talking about all of our beauty must-haves, and the next item that we have for you is truly something that I use every single day, and I know that so many of you do as well. That's why we are thrilled to have the Brow Shaper back. So when it comes to shaping your brows, or just, let's be honest, unwanted hair wherever it is and you want it gone, the Brow Shaper is my favorite way to eliminate that unwanted hair. In fact, this is by Lily Beth of New York, and they are truly the authority when it comes to getting the most perfect brow. So many models, so many, we'll just keep it at models, love to go and get the perfect brow at Lily Beth of New York, and this is the tool that they would use on you if you went to one of their brow bars. Now you can remove that unwanted hair, shape the perfect brow in the privacy of your own home, and I love that Lily Beth did this for us. This is an HSN exclusive look. I love the beautiful design. It's a floral print. You choose your color and you get the floral, and you also get the color. So you have either the pink, you have the green, or you have the blue. I don't want you to look at this though and think, okay, it's a razor. That's, you know, I can get a razor anywhere, because that is not what this is. And that's just one of the reasons why this is one of our 10 faves today. Of course, one of the 10 items that we're obsessed with today on hsn.com. I want to bring out our special guest. Her name is Jess Mandeville, and she is an international beauty expert, and she's going to talk to us why literally hundreds of thousands of these have been sold just here at HSN.
Yes.
And why, I'm not going to say where my unwanted hair is, because I get rid of it.
You don't have to tell us.
Thanks to this. Absolutely. I would fight someone if they took this away from me. Hi to you, by the way.
So good to see you.
Same to you.
So good to be back here. You know what? Yes, hundreds of thousands have sold here at HSN. Over 1 million have sold around the world.
Yeah.
Why? Because this little tool does what it says on the tin, right? We're removing hair, and at the same time, you're getting a special treatment. It's an exfoliating treatment. It's called dermaplaning. So you're removing that top layer of skin and revealing that gorgeous, youthful, glowing skin underneath. And I want to show you, okay? I had my little baby 4 weeks ago.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow, you're a trooper.
I have been not in the most glamorous, you know, mode over the past 4 weeks. Mainly focused on keeping this little guy alive.
Sure.
But you know what? On the side of my face, I've been letting my peach fuzz grow out, because people always say to me, Jess, you probably don't have that much peach fuzz. You're really, you know, fair-haired and blonde and whatever. I want to show you how amazing this is, not just for the eyebrows, right? Because I do use this on my eyebrows all the time. I don't use threading or waxing or tweezing anymore, because this little tool does it for you. But watch this. I use it on the side of my face, and do you see all this hair coming off here?
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Because if you look on the red carpet and you see these celebrities with their glowing skin, one thing you're not seeing is peach fuzz.
Peach fuzz, right.
Because that kind of, the light doesn't get to the skin, right? You want that glowing skin, but if you have a barrier there of hair, then the light can't bounce off your gorgeous glowing skin. And you can see I took this off in seconds. So I've removed the hair, I've removed the dry skin, and now when I put my foundation on, when I put my skincare on, I don't have this wall, this barrier of hair that's stopping it from doing its job.
Exactly. So you've taken off that hair, you've exfoliated the skin, and what's left behind is the most beautiful, almost like baby-like skin.
It is.
And so your makeup is gonna go on better. It's not gonna sit on top of that hair. When it comes to, you know, let's talk about the eyebrow area, because Lily Beth of New York, it is all about giving you that perfect brow. Absolutely. When it comes to plucking and tweezing, you can't get all of the little hairs and, you know, that you want gone. This is the easiest way. And by the way, I want you to see on my finger, I'm not cutting myself, because like I said, this is not a razor. So
no. How many methods of hair removal have you seen that actually don't hurt? That was one of the biggest attractions to me. I want something that's really fast. I want something that I can use all over the face, all over the body. And again, it's not gonna cut me. So eyebrows, upper lips, sideburns, chin, okay? Chin hairs, those little wiry ones that crop up. The back of the neck, the hairline, the arms, bikini line, fingers, toes. Have you ever been getting a pedicure and you look down at your toes and all of a sudden you see that ugly little black hair on your toe, right? Well, don't worry about that anymore. You have your brow shaper, and I always keep it on me. Always, in my purse, in my makeup bag, in my car. At work, I keep one in my desk drawer because you never know when you're gonna feel that little hair crop up, and you just wanna get rid of it in seconds.
Absolutely.
Not be sitting there trying to pluck it out.
Well, and because, oh my gosh, yeah, and because you're getting 2 of these today, you can keep one in your handbag, you can keep one in your desk drawer at work. Remember, you just choose the color and you get that HSN exclusive floral print in the pink, in the green, notice you get a solid one as well, or in, I'm loving the purple as well. Under $10 on your charge card with free shipping and handling. So let's talk about, and yes, I mean, if you look on that, you know, the toe, if you look in the bikini area, if you look in that area where you just need to get, you know, get that unwanted hair out, it's perfect for that. But let's talk about your brow for a second, because of course, Lilybeth is legendary when it comes to shaping that perfect brow. That's why all the celebrities and models go to them. It is that amazing tool, but it's also the shape of the tool, right? That allows you to get that perfect angle to your, that perfect arch to your brow.
Exactly. So the technique is so simple. You don't have to think about, oh, what's the angle here, there, everywhere.
Right.
All you do is you come down and you just do tap, 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 tap. And do you see when I come down, the line is already created for me. This long line here. I don't have to do individual little hairs. I do it in one even line, so it's nice and straight. And then you come down on the angle, tap, 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 and look at that. There's my other line, perfectly created for me. Underneath, you lift and you come down just like this.
Get all those,
and you get all those little hairs. And you know what? You hardly even have to press. Just very light, very gentle. And in between, I love this too, because I can't even tell you how clean and tidy it looks when you remove all of these little hairs. Think about it. If you're plucking, you're not going to be able to get all these little hairs because they'll break with the tweezers. Or sometimes they snap the hair and then it can kind of go back and cause a little bit of a ingrown hair situation. This is just so simple. It's pain-free. It's so affordable.
No batteries.
No plugs.
No plugs.
No
It's not
wax.
any creams. It's not waxes. It is your secret weapon. It is your little tool. So maybe you've got the unwanted hair on your upper lip. Maybe it's the brows. Maybe it's the chin. Maybe you've got unwanted hair that's on your little toe, on your big toe, wherever it may be. This gets rid of it in seconds. And I love that it's so portable. You fold it down and you throw it in your bag and you always have it with you. I mentioned this is something that I will not be without, because yes, you can pluck out the unwanted hairs, especially around your eyebrow area. But when it comes to really getting in, exfoliating that dry, dead skin, getting rid of all those fine hairs that you could never, you know, pluck out in a million years, this is the secret tool that you need to get home. And I know that guys love this as well, right, Jess?
Oh my gosh, yes. Well, you've seen how easy it works on peach fuzz and downy hair, right? But what about that coarse, thick hair? What about our guys who maybe have some regrowth on the back of the neck? Okay, so Jason had a haircut a couple weeks ago. He already has some regrowth here. He's not gonna go back to the barbershop just to get this tidied up because that's expensive and nobody has time for that. So all we do is we take the brow shaper, no water, no special products or anything like that. All you do is glide it down the skin. You'll hear it working. And look at that, in seconds, this is tidied up. And it's just as simple as can be. And that's why I say it does what it says on the tin. It's not about, you know, learning some crazy wild technique or using hugely expensive products. This little tool is such a lifesaver for men, for women, even teens who are just learning how to kind of groom. Look at this.
Exactly.
So tidy.
Instantly cleaned up the neck area. Yeah, and the thing is, you look at this and think, okay, well, would that be comfortable to do on dry skin? I think it feels amazing.
Yeah, because it's exfoliating your skin. And again, you know, if you press too hard, you're doing it wrong. You don't need you hardly need any pressure at all. And it's all about the angle, really, right? So if you hold it completely flat, it's not gonna touch the skin, it's not gonna remove the hair. If you hold it at 90 degrees, again, not gonna remove the hair. But watch this. This is a really nice close-up view. Do you see? If you hold it straight up and down, it's not doing anything.
Right.
If you hold it completely flat, you're not making contact with the root of that hair. So again, it's not doing anything. Something happens at about 45 degrees. Imagine you're spreading butter. Tap, 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 that hair is gone. And that's a man's arm. That is coarse hair we're talking about. So if you're ever out in public, right, how many times have you been out and about, maybe you feel a little hair that you missed on your upper lip, or maybe one of those little chin hairs. Maybe you're just not feeling polished. Maybe you missed a spot shaving. This little tool, you whip it out, and it's a lifesaver.
Exactly. You want to have this in your beauty arsenal. You want to have this in your cosmetic bag, in your handbag. You want one in your desk drawer at work.
Oh, totally.
Never be in that embarrassing situation where you're like, yeah, I've said the little bit of hair creeped out that I didn't realize I needed to tackle.
Well,
this tackles it so easily.
Exactly. Have you ever been in a conversation with somebody and thought to yourself, are they looking at me or are they looking at that hair on my upper lip? Sometimes hair, as simple as it is, as natural as it is,
Look at her eyebrows. Look how,
see how good they look. So beautiful.
You have to say this is Lily Beth of New York. We're gonna need to oil up this chair a little bit. It's noisy. This is Lily Beth of New York. So you have to think about big supermodels and celebrities go there. Yes, and actors to get the perfect brow. This is the tool that they use on them. Now you get the tool at home.
It's the premier brow bar in New York City, and that's why it's so trusted and so highly regarded. And that's why so many men and women come for treatments. And when you go to the brow bar in New York City, this is the exact tool that they use in the chair in New York City. So you're not getting some, you know, lesser version of it. Right. This is the real deal. This is a professional grade tool. And do you see how I'm just gently tapping along, and all of this hair has come off in seconds.
Not pulling, not tugging.
Nope.
It's just, you know, you mentioned a little while ago about the dermaplaning. You know, I'm not saying that that's what this is, but that is something, if you think about it, if you've ever had that done, very similar when you're taking off and you're exfoliating all of that dry, dead skin. Look what's left behind. That beautiful,
so smooth.
Oh, that's so soft.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh, don't you love that? I'm sorry, I just keep petting her.
And let's talk about the regrowth,
It's
because
just so soft.
that's something that people are concerned about. How is this going to grow back?
Right.
Is it going to grow back harsh and heavy? Is it going to feel stubbly and thick?
Right.
The best part about the Brow Shaper is the hair that you remove, it's going to be the same hair that grows back. So if you're removing peach fuzz, it's going to grow back as peach fuzz. If you're removing coarse hair, it's going to grow back as coarse hair. And it's as simple as that.
Now, if you want the pink, I mentioned you get one of the floral and you get one of the solid color in your choice of the pink, purple, or the green, and we'll show you those color options here in just a second. The pink is already well on its way to selling out with more than 1,000 of these spoken for today.
Isn't it pretty? It's such a pretty, pretty pink.
It really is. I love it. And by the way, the floral print, it's an HSN exclusive that the legendary Lily Beth did just for us. Under $10 on your charge card with free shipping and handling as well. Again, I don't want you to look at this and think, and maybe we can show that little video again. I don't want you to think, okay, well, that's a little blade. And
right.
That's really not what this is.
It's
you can see I'm not slicing myself.
No, it's like one of those sweater combs. You know, in the wintertime when you get those pills on your sweater, the little baubles?
Yeah.
And you use one of those combs to kind of get them off. That's exactly like what this is here. It just instantly takes that hair off, but you can see it's not cutting my skin. And I would love to show you some of the before and afters too, because so many men and so many women have used this tool all over the face, all over the body to make a real difference. And whether you're applying makeup on top or not, this gives you the ultimate foundation to which you can apply, you know, your serums, your moisturizers. And watch this. Do you see all of this dry skin? This is dry skin that I've just taken off my arm. And I use moisturizer, but you know what? Sometimes moisturizer just doesn't cut it. You gotta exfoliate. It's so important.
Exactly. So when you think about if that's what you're doing to the skin on your face, think about how much more beautifully your foundations and your powders and everything are gonna go on when you don't have that dry, dead skin, maybe that layer of peach fuzz. You know, we've been showing you Lily Beth, legendary when it comes to amazing brows. So you're gonna be able, again, with the shape of this tool, and we'll show you why the shape of this tool is so important, to really craft a gorgeous brow at home, having the tool that Lily Beth would use on you if you traveled to their very busy New York, one of their very busy New York locations. But it's about the brow, but it's about wherever your unwanted hair is and just wanting it gone.
It really is. It's called the Brow Shaper. That's where it all started, but this really is the everything shaper, you know? And when you're using the Brow Shaper, I want you to really pull that skin taut, right? Especially if you are using it on the brows, lift that brow up when you go to use it and just come down very gently above, in between, and underneath. If you're doing it on the upper lip, I like to go like this. and then come down just
Good.
on the upper lip, right? If I do it on the side of my face, I always lift the side of my face and come down very gently. And I'll show you on our gorgeous model here. Do you, can you relate to this? Do you have this kind of dark hair on the side? This is a great tool whether you have light hair or whether you have dark hair, whether you have coarse hair or fine hair. It doesn't matter what hair color you have, what skin color you have.
Isn't that pretty?
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
Look at that for
just
so
such a
many
clean,
of us.
beautiful look. You just see her gorgeous glowing skin.
That's
it's not
it.
hidden under the dead skin and hair.
That's it. And for so many of us, myself included, unwanted hair it can be a knock to your confidence. And I don't want you thinking about your hair. Why would you think about unwanted hair when you have a solution that's so simple and so affordable? I was going to the salon, easily spending $30, $40 with tip, parking, all that kind of stuff a month, every single month, because the hair just grows back, right, for waxing or threading. Why would you do that when each one of these, right, each one of these lasts 2 to 3 months? You're getting a set of 2 for far less than what I was paying every month going to the salon.
100%. And maybe this is you on your screen. Take a look at this. If you have, which we all do, we love to manicure our brows. If you've got those unruly brows, look at how you, in a very short amount of time, are able to give yourself that perfect shape,
Super
that
fast.
perfect manicured brow. Or it is the peach fuzz. It's the sideburn area.
Yes.
This is tackling all of that. My favorite area, and I mentioned we all have unwanted hair that maybe we want to talk about, maybe we don't.
Yes.
My favorite area is for the knee.
Yes.
You're riding in the passenger seat of the car
Oh
and the
my
sunlight
gosh.
hits it and you're just like, I cannot get the hair off my knees.
Do you know what? The knee is like the problem area for me.
Yes.
And if you
This
have
is so good.
like poor lighting in your shower,
yeah.
right? Maybe you've shaved, you think you've done a great job, you hop out, you're out and about. What are you gonna do? Jump back in the shower? Nobody has time for that. So you whip out your brow shaper and look at this. This is why I love this set of 2 too. You get a solid, give this to your guy if you want. You get the floral, keep it for yourself.
Exactly. Under $10 on your charge card, we're shipping them to you free as well. When this HSN exclusive design that Lily Beth created just for us is gone, it will not be back. So be in the ordering process because you will love these girls and guys. Jess, thank you so much.
Thank you. Good to see
Congratulations
you
on your
all.
new baby.
Thank you.
Very exciting. We're going to check in with an HSN Spotlight. More to come.
HSN is all about fun. Great events are coming your way this week. Come join the launch of Wendy Williams Shoe Closet. Much like Wendy's classic and vibrant apparel, these shoes go from weekday to weekend in a snap. Any destination, any occasion, boots, pumps, or even sneakers. The perfect accessory, Wendy's style. Wendy can't wait to share her exclusive line with you. Tune in Friday at 7 p.m. or go to hsn.com and search Wendy Williams.
Extraordinary women are fearless.
Any woman is extraordinary that really walks her own path.
What's the harm in being different?
The wonderful thing about clothing is that it gives you confidence.
It's really important to believe in yourself.
There's something about fall. I love prints and textures, all those creamy colors.
Fall is yummy.
Timeless.
Effortless.
I love fall. More is more and less is a bore.
I started my career more than 40 years ago in London's antique market on Portobello Road. Antique jewelry and global cultures have always influenced my designs. I love combining beautiful gemstones and old world techniques, designing one-of-a-kind pieces as special as the women who wear them, and bringing them all to you in the most unique destination of all.
Watch Nikki Butler, Friday, only on HSN.
We want to show you some more absolutely incredible results. You know, this is something that so many of us struggle with. It's that hooding in our eyes that ages us, that makes us look tired. Well, look at, after just one application, what Contours RX can do for you. If this is something that you've missed out on in the past because it's sold out, we want you to stick around now because this will sell out. It sells out every single time. And in the past, if you wanted to get Contours RX, It's something that you had to get from your cosmetic surgeon or high-end spas. What is it? It is a hypoallergenic, latex-free, virtually undetectable little film that is going to give you back your eyelid. You just have to see the before and afters right away. So I want to send it right over to Britton Todd. She is the creator of Amazing Contours RX, and she is absolutely a walking testimonial for the incredible results that you can see using the Contours RX. As we're sending it over to her, I will let you know just for this visit, marked down to $29.95. Also, I don't think we've ever done this on auto ship. If we have, I haven't been a part of it. So I love that something that always sells out is available for you on auto ship today with 2 flex and free shipping and handling. The hardest decision you have is if you want 5, 6, or 7 millimeters, and we'll show you how easy it is for you to decide. Okay, let's send it over to Britton because I want you to see the incredible results right off the bat. Hi, Britton.
Hi, I'm so excited to be back. Thank you so much. You know, we can all relate to this issue on one level or another. Heavy hooded eyelids is what we're talking about. If you have struggled with heavy hooded eyelids making you look tired and aged, we have a solution for you that there is no other in this category. We have an instant and non-surgical, non-invasive solution for you that we're going to show you live with so many different demos. So this is a medical grade correcting strip that goes on the eyelid to instantly lift and recontour the shape of your own eyelid, removing years off of your appearance. Now, we have so many live demos that we're going to show you in just seconds, but before we do, I want to bring you in. I want to invite you in to see my own before and after. This is my natural eyelid. That's heavy, it's hooded, it's loss of elasticity. I have crow's feet and lines from it. It's just something I've inherited over the years, and it's gotten worse over age. So whether you've inherited something or you're just starting to see that loss of elasticity, if you can relate to this look. Now look at, this is after 1 application in just seconds.
Oh, I mean, wow, is all I can say every single time you do this, Britton. It truly is revolutionary. And what's amazing is you don't see the Contours RX on. No. It just looks like you've got these bright, wide open eyes.
You would never know that that's the eye I don't leave home without, and you would never know I had anything on. This is going to become your best and most favorite beauty secret.
Absolutely.
So let's get into demos.
Okay.
Because this is incredible. So again, this is a medical grade correcting strip, and it goes on the eyelid in just seconds in 1 application. We're going to show you that. But we can see a clear before and after. Now, Debbie loves her 7 millimeters. So this is one of the 7 millimeters. Now, you don't have to guess at your size. The heavier the eyelid, the deeper the cavity, the bigger the number you can go. But look at the difference on her. It's just a lighter, brighter. You see her eyelid on this side is literally touching her eyelashes. It's laying on her eyelashes. And this is just a nice, new, brighter her. So it's a lifted, more youthful appearance, the confidence, and it's all non-invasive.
The fun with eyeshadows. Now, you said that she's wearing the 7 millimeters.
She's wearing the 7 millimeter.
Okay, we have the 5, the 6, and the 7. So the 5 is going to be maybe the more natural,
a more casual look, and we're going to demonstrate on that. I'm going to demonstrate on myself as well, just a nice, natural, lifted look that I use. You know, if I'm just at home on the weekends having a cup of coffee, I'm not putting the bigger 7 or 8 on. So that's for the more dramatic.
Incredible results. By the way, auto ship, get in on that because this sells out every time that Britton brings it back to us. Before I mentioned you used to have to go to either your plastic surgeon or a high-end spa to be able to get this. And yes, you can wear your eyeshadows right on top of this. Just use a primer.
Yeah, let's look at that photo. Actually, we have a photo where we've done a smoky eyelid. And so we're gonna show you what a 6 millimeter, I believe it's on Sharon we have. And we have a before the strip is placed on, the after the strip, and then full-blown makeup. And we'll bring that on for you in just a second.
Okay, so how are we putting these on?
So right here, when we just peel it off of the backing, I'm gonna place it on my hand for you so you can see just how translucent this is. This is the strip that we're talking about. Now the curve will go on the upside so we can help with that arch. Okay. Here it is on my hand. You're gonna lay it on the eyelid where we're about to go over some really good tips. If you can see this, as I press and hold, it becomes totally invisible and blends in with your skin tone. It's a skin-like technology as well, so you can't see it or feel it when it's placed right. So placement will take practice. Here's Sharon. Here's a 6 millimeter. Here's her before, all the way to the left. Here's her middle after, a nice natural lift. You can now see that eyelid. And all the way to the third, that is with doing a smoky eyelid. Now, for best results, go around it like we did here. HSN's makeup artist did her makeup, smoky eyelid, doing your eyebrows, your eyelashes, your eyeliners, even the shadows. If you want to go directly on it, make it one surface so shadows will adhere more evenly using a nice creamy eyelid primer.
Easy. So yes, you can put makeup on right on top of it. You get 80 of them. You also get the application tweezers, and we're going to show you how easy it is to apply these. In fact, Britton, this is you in your morning routine.
This is my everyday morning routine. I wash my face. I want to be on clean, dry skin, no makeup oils or moisturizers. I peel the strip gently, and I look at where that eyelid is folding. We place it right there. This is like a push-up bra for your eyelid.
Yeah.
It's going to support that excess skin from falling forward. Right. But you have to press and hold it. And so we have to press those edges so we get a good bond. Now, it comes with a little pair of tweezers. We highly recommend the metal needle nose tweezers, which we also carry, and you can ask about that when you're online. So these are the tweezers that we highly recommend. They're metal needle nose. They go on the strip without damaging the strip, and that's going to be key.
And you can ask your representative about those.
Yeah, these are the ones that come with it. Now it's a plastic pair of needle nose tweezers. This is to assist you should you not own a pair or want a nice travel pair. They work fine, but these are the ones that we recommend.
Okay.
And so now we're going to demonstrate just the 5 millimeter, a more casual.
Okay.
She doesn't have as much heavy hooding as Debbie had. So she's just starting to see the loss of elasticity. Age has nothing to do with it. And so what we're going to do when she closes her eye, we see that line and that fold. That is very natural to your own lid. So everybody has their own. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lift that excess skin up out of the way, and we're going to place that strip right where that fold is. Okay. We tap that edge down so it doesn't move for us, and we lay it down with just a slight twist of the tweezer and hold those edges. Okay. That's a lot of people are making that mistake by not holding those edges down. Now open up. Now that is just a casual lift. Look at how much bigger, wide open you can see. Now she can see those eyeliners.
Is that not every time you see it, do you not just fall on the floor? I mean, it's just incredible how wide open, how it gets rid of that, you know, kind of sagging on your upper lid without having a procedure done in seconds. And the fact that it's latex free, it's hypoallergenic, it's so incredibly comfortable, you really can't even feel it. And of course, you can't see it, so much so that you can put eyeshadow right on top of this.
If you needed to, yeah, you can make it purple if you needed to. Yeah. Absolutely. I prefer the nice natural look because now I can highlight the brow bone. I can do all the brows and lashes that are so popular, and all this winged liner that's happening.
Love it. Well, it's $10 off for you today. Finally back. I know the 5 millimeter is already becoming limited. The 6 millimeter is... Oh, okay. So 6 and 7, it seems like the most of you are in the ordering process for 6 and 7. Again, 5 is going to be more casual. Talk to us again. So if you want, you know kind of the level of sagging you may have on your upper lid.
Yeah, if you look at my eyelid again, I can wear a 5 or a 6, which I can actually demonstrate. If you want to grab me those 5s, I'm going to demonstrate. In fact, I have this one in my hand, so I'll just show you again how translucent this is. This is the 8 millimeter. Or I'm sorry, the 7 millimeter, a little tap, a little twist, and you have to place it on that. Look at how it disappeared. I've got several of them on my hand, by the way.
Where?
I've got several of them on my hand.
See them. That's so amazing.
Yeah, so the 5 or the 6. Now, I'm going to do a 6 live for you. If you want to hold that mirror, I don't typically do this, but we have so many live models. I'm going to add myself to the mix. Okay. And I'm going to show you, just putting a little 5 millimeter on, what you're looking for. You see that folded skin. Now, as folds go on your eyelid, I am pretty lucky. I have a straightaway one, or a flat one. So look at what I'm doing. I'm clearing away, no makeup oils or moisturizers, and I'm placing that right on that, capturing that line, pressing and holding, and look at what a nice lift I have. Wow. Difference between the 6, casual, or a 7, a little bit more dramatic. So big difference. You can wear multiple ones. There's not one occasion. What are you going out on a date, or are you staying at home? Do you just want to relieve that pressure, that heaviness that you have in your eyelid?
Yeah.
You know, that's what bothers me. I feel like I'm dragging around a limb, you know?
Well, you got enough sleep, and
Here's
people
mine.
are saying, are you tired? Because you've got that hooding.
Exactly. Look at my before and afters. Look at the top. That's my natural, both heavy, both hooded, and that's just right after one. I think that's a 7mm. I can wear a 5, 6 casual, 7 or 8 for a more dramatic. So
yeah, absolutely.
we're going to show you the more dramatic one now.
Don't forget, auto ship is available, something that sells out every single time. Not only does that mean it's not always, it'll never be sold out for you, that means you get to lock in that $10 off price for today. So I recommend do the auto ship. You can customize it, you can cancel it, completely up to you.
Now, most of our clients wear this product every day. They don't leave home without it. So just like me, once you use it, you get addicted to it. But the placement takes practice. Please remember that. Don't give up. The placement takes practice. This is a new concept. But remember, if you just think of those rules, we're going to look at where that folding is and place it there. Lift the excess skin up out of the way. Now, we're going to show you on my favorite, Diane.
Okay.
Because she represents so many of our clients that we help. And so if you can see the heavy hoodedness, I'm going to throw you under here for a minute. But she's just lost that elasticity, you know. So whether the age does not matter, but if you've inherited it or you're just starting to see signs of it, we can help. And so heavier the lid, the bigger the number. Okay. So what we want to do is where she closes her eyelid, she has a different fold than I do. So there's no one placement. What we do is we lift that excess skin up out of the way until it's a smooth surface. And then we lay the product down, little twist with the tweezers, and we need to hold those edges down so we adhere to the skin. If we want to wear this all day, we need to press and hold. Now open several times and look at the lift that we have on her. If we can get up close.
You created an eyelid. I mean, or you just brought it back out.
Get as close as you want. But here's what we can do. We can play with the placement. So I want to talk to this. Now, if we don't get the placement right the first time, which that's going to happen, we can simply remove this strip, and guess what? This becomes a practice strip. You can use it 5, 6, 7, 8 times and find your placement. Practice with this. This is new. But again, lift up all that excess skin. I'm going to get a new one because I already know where the placement's going to go.
And you get 80 of them, by the way, plus
80.
the tweezers, and they come in your little storage container, so you're good to go there.
Oh, yeah. Get one for it to go because you don't want to travel without this. Now, again, I want to make sure the camera see I'm lifting up all that excess skin out of the way.
And what size is this again?
This one is a 7mm.
Okay.
So this one is, if you had, now look up and look as close as you can possibly get to her.
Is that not amazing?
How many seconds did that take?
A few. And you can't see it at all. Again, high definition camera looking at this. Do you see that
It is
at all?
transparent. It'll blend in. It's discreet. No one will know what you've done. You'll just look more refreshed, more tired. Now, again, we've relieved some of that pressure on the side, so it becomes almost preventative. Those crow's feet, that pressure will no longer be there.
Exactly. So you're just revealing, you're reducing the hooding, you're revealing a more wide awake, honestly more youthful looking eye, or maybe it's hereditary. Maybe you've never had, you've always had a lot of that hooding. This shows off that eyelid area so that you can have that bright-eyed, wide awake look. Hypoallergenic and latex free. If you want to wear shadows over this, you can. All we say to do is use a primer. You're looking at something that is finally back and it sells out every time. So remember, you're looking at 5mm, 6mm, or 7mm. So 5 is going to be your more casual look. Take it up from there depending upon how much hooding you think you have. Try these out on your charge card for under $15. Don't forget. Okay, I'm getting an update. I was just going to tell you, don't forget auto ship means that it's never sold out for you, and you get to secure this price. The update that I was just getting, if you want 6mm in auto ship, we have 100 left. So you do need to be in the ordering process now for that.
I'm telling you, you're going to get addicted to the lift. Once you've seen a more youthful you that is non-invasive, that is instant. And affordable.
Exactly.
What exists out there that I don't have to wait 6 to 8 months, or I don't have to go under the knife. Sorry, Dr. Nassif. But this is a non-surgical solution.
Who carries these in his location, in his very busy practice, by the way. So that's
so whether you're thinking of having a surgery, why not see your after results before going under the knife?
Absolutely.
Do you want
You know,
like I said, a push-up bra for the eyelids. So
thank you for that. And it'll become part of your daily beauty routine.
Now,
you know, we
yeah.
have the slimmer outers and the push-up bras and everything, our little secrets. This is just one of those.
This is the best beauty secret in my drawer. Again, look at her, Carol. Where that line is folding,
okay.
Close your eyes.
What size
and you
is
just
this?
This is a 6 millimeter.
Okay.
So you just place it, tap it down so it doesn't move. Little twist with here. We have so much to tell you. I don't know when we're going to be back. It's going to be months. It might not be before the holidays. Get your stock because this is going to be an item you do not want to be without.
Is that not the most amazing results? Today is your day to try these at $10 off. Again, that was 6 that you saw just there. Don't forget the auto ship is almost gone on the 6 millimeter. Britton, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
We're thrilled to have you back. Don't forget, stay in the ordering process. If you're shopping with your HSN card, good for you. We're doing an additional flexible payment today. If you don't have the HSN card, you can, of course, apply for the card on hsn.com or by calling the number on your screen. And if you are approved during our show, you get to take $10 off of your first purchase. So definitely take advantage of that. Now, Colleen is here with an HSN Spotlight, and we've got more coming up next.
Join me, Amy Morrison, and join me, Colleen Lopez, for Gotta Watch Thursdays. We've got your uplifting beauty this week on